Hello, Ms. Lyons. Um, I'm going to do my best here, but it's been a long time since I've done these. But if you have f of x equals x minus 2 and g of x equals this, it says find and simplify g of x plus g of negative 6. This is really pretty simple. What it's saying is, uh, excuse me, that what we're going to do is we're going to add f of x and g of x, and then we're going to substitute back in um, negative 6. So f of x is f of x is x plus 2, okay, that, plus g of x, which is x squared minus x. Okay, so we're going to add these two things together. We're just going to combine like terms. X and negative x is 0. That's gone. So we end up with x squared plus 2. Okay, that's gone. Any number minus itself is 0. So we end up with that. So what we do is now we find out what the value of f plus g of negative x. Now x plus g is this. So we plug in negative 6 squared plus 2. So this is 36 plus 2 is, now what we have here is negative 6 times negative 6, which is positive 36. So our answer there is 38. I think. Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what? I wrote down the wrong. It's x squared. Anyway, you get the idea. I think maybe my addition got away from me here. Well, anyway, you get the idea. Now, number 2, x squared plus 2. Okay. Okay, number 2, basically the same problem. We have f of x equals x squared minus 11 and g of x equals 11 minus x. So now what we want to do is f divided by g of positive 6. So we have x squared minus 11 over g of x, which is 11 minus x. Now we just, it's of 6. Now we just plug in 6 wherever there's an x. So we get 6 squared minus 11 over 11 minus 6. Wherever there's an x, we're going to plug in 6. So here we have 36 minus 11 over, what is that, 5? 36 minus 11 is, I think, 25. Over 5 is 5, I think. And number 3, you're to use the graph to evaluate. Now, I don't have the graph of the problem that you sent to me, so I'm going to just make one up. Okay, now this is going to be wrong, but I think you'll get the idea here. If we have f plus g of negative 3, so we have f of negative 3 plus g, stupid, g of negative 3. What we have to do here, oh, the letter D, this one is A. Letter D is going to be undefined because f of it, if it says f of undefined, because it's f divided by g of 0. And remember, whenever there's a 0 in the denominator, it's undefined. But anyway, let's do this one up here. F plus g of negative 3. And again, that equals f of negative 3 plus g of negative 3. So what we have to do here is, now you're going to have to, like I said, you're going to have to look on your graph, because obviously I don't have that one. Okay, and you're going to be given two graphs. Probably will look something like this. This is going to be f of x, and this one will be g of x. But again, I don't know what yours looks like. Now, 1, 2, here's negative 3. So f of negative 3, okay, f of negative 3 will come down. Now, where does it hit this line? This is f of x. It hits it right here. So you have to go over here, and it looks like this might be like negative 5 or something. Okay, and so now we can say that f of x, or I'm sorry, f of negative 3 is negative 5. Okay, and f of g, how stupid can you be more stupid? G of negative 3, I'm sorry. Okay, this is g, again, of negative 3. We come down here to where this is, and then you look over here. G of negative 3 is going to be like negative 10 or something like that. I don't know. Is negative 10. Therefore, or then, f of negative 3 plus, okay, this is what you want, f of negative 3 plus g of negative 3 is, f of negative 3 is negative 5 plus g of negative 3 is negative 10. And so these two together will be, so f of negative 3 plus g of negative 3 is negative 15, negative 5 and negative 10. Okay, I hope that's right for you. Like I said, I'm sorry, but it's been a long time since I've done these, but I think this is pretty close. Okay, and the other ones, they're the same way. Just find out where, here we had negative 3, and where did it touch the f of x? At roughly negative 5, something like that. Okay, take care. I'll see you next Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.